imagine Apple is launching their new iPhone. If Apple places ads on TV and in magazines that say, meet the new iPhone, faster and more powerful than ever, that's advertising. They are just letting everyone know there's a new iPhone. If Apple organizes an exciting event that's live streamed globally with celebrities showing off their iPhones, that's promotion. It grabs your attention and makes you interested in checking out the new iPhone. Let's say during the event, a famous singer accidentally drops their new iPhone on stage and it survives without a scratch. This moment goes viral and tech blogs globally write about how durable the new iPhone is. That's publicity. It gets people talking about the iPhone even more while showing off a feature in a memorable way. If people start to question why the new iPhone is so expensive and Apple responds by explaining the advanced technology and unique features justifying the costs, that's public relations. They are maintaining a good image by showing the listen and ensuring customers understand the value they are getting. Based on this, you visit an Apple store where a staff shows you how the new iPhone works, answers your questions, and help you set it up after you decide to buy. That's sales. If all these tactics, the ads, the events, the viral moments, addressed price concerns, and the trained staff were all planned by Apple or a marketing team, that's marketing. They've successfully coordinated all these efforts to ensure you not only hear about the new iPhone, but also feel confident and excited to buy it, use it, and even refer others in most cases. Marketing is a clear strategy we use to get our target audience to know us, like us, and trust us enough to become customers.